Are you searching for previous year question papers, class 10, most important questions from each and every chapter, question banks, and sample papers? And most importantly, if you are a committed 10th grader who needs and wants to score 95% above in their board examination, here is your smart board exam partner. CBSE Insider 10th YouTube channel, designed to help you study smart, practice more, and score better. Let's turn this exam anxiety into exam confidence. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more informative videos related to CBSE Class 10. On this channel, we even give the CBSE updates related to the board examinations, and we also trying to give one shot videos, sample papers, and some question banks as well to you on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe. The problem arises why students lose marks. Even hardworking students did not get the expected marks they have expected, and that's very much wrong and disappointing. But nothing is impossible. There are four reasons due to which students lose marks. Number one, lack of practice. Students are not practicing the real life question, application, and case based questions that are coming in their examination. They are just reading the question and reading the answer and cramming those all, and it's not at all good. Second, poor time management. Students are learning greatly, practicing some of greatly, but they are spending too long on the question in the examination, and through which they lose easy marks on the table. Timing is a skill that must be rehearsed, due to which on this channel you will be getting guest paper, most important question papers, and board exam previous year papers as well. Third, unfamiliar with the question pattern. The students who do not revise, who do not see the sample paper, PYQs, question bank, and different school like different government school, KV school, armies, public school, and even more pre-board question paper, they are unfamiliar with the question pattern and they're surprised on seeing their question paper. Number four, last minute preparation. Students are just cramming one day before exam because they haven't done anything in the whole year. And the cramming will not leave you anywhere. It just gives you that you have learned, but it is not like that. One important reason that I this PPT, the slide is not giving you is number fifth, that is overconfidence. People are overconfident that they're knowing this concept, they are knowing, let's leave it. We are able to do this question, but that question they cannot do in the exam, though it would be easy. Next, let's come on to the next slide. Now comes the solution. Why previous year papers matter. Understand the exam pattern. We get familiar with the structure, marking scheme, and question typology. Spot frequently asked question, identify recurring themes and high weightage topics at a glance. Very much important that every 10th grader of CBSE and every school student should know it. We should practice PYQs, which are known as previous year question papers, just to get that which questions from which chapter, from which topic, the questions are coming every year. It is a high weightage topic. And don't forget that on this channel, we'll be giving high weightage topic before your board exam and guest paper as well. Improve speed and accuracy. practicing those sample papers, question banks that I'll be providing in this channel, you will think faster and more precisely answers would be given by you. Last, build real confidence. Each paper solved is one more step toward walking into the exam hall fully prepared, right? If, as you can see on the screen, the picture shows that the student is doing many sample papers. And a time watch is there. Time watch is very important for a student, as your question paper is given before 15 minutes just for reading. You need to consume that 15 minutes to revise, to read all the question and understand which question you are not familiar with. You have to just slight mark and leave during your answering, right? So that you can do at the last, so that the your easy marks that are on the table would not lost. Let's come on to the next slide. Yes, what you will get on this channel: previous year question paper, that too solved and explained PYQs from recent board exam, organized by each and every chapter. Second, revision videos, quick concept focused revision videos to help you cover syllabus fast. Third, board update that CBSE announces the syllabus changes and exam dates too. Important question created curated question sets highlighting the topic most likely to appear. Sample paper, full length practice paper designed to mirror the real CBSE exam format, right? Study tips, proven strategies for retention, time planning, and stress management. Most important from all these six are each and every point. You should not leave anything. Let's go on to the next topic: premium resources. Most important thing. Take your prep online with our expertly crafted PDF pack. Each one is designed to give you everything you need for focus, distraction free revision. All this for just 99 rupee per subject, less than the cost of a coaching handout. Far more effective. The 99 rupees are just for per subject per question paper. That question paper is up to you. You need to take previous year, sample paper, or question bank. Even though question bank and sample paper may be get some price up and down, but this price is for your previous year question papers, very low than your coaching formats, handout, and modules as well. That too far more effective. Subject wise PDFs, comprehensive coverage tailored to latest CBSE syllabus, high quality formatting, clean layouts with readable fonts and clear, structured answer, easy to print, optimized for home printing so you can study anywhere screen free. So this PDF will be covering your previous year question papers per subject for not just 99 rupee. Available subjects, 7 subjects are available with us to you. One goal: board exam readiness. Pick the ones you need or grab the complete set. Mathematics, science, English, social science, Hindi, Punjabi, and artificial intelligence. You are so lucky that we are even providing two extra languages subject, Punjabi and Hindi, and one additional subject, artificial intelligence. For mathematics, we'll be giving important sums, step by step solution, and PYQs. Science, physics, chemistry, and bio all in one pack. English, writing skills, literature extract, and grammar. social science, all the four covering subjects. The most important for Hindi, we are providing only course B till now. But course A will be available soon in Punjabi. Full complete board ready preparation material will be given. Artificial intelligence, the newest CBSE skill up subject, fully covered. The skill subject is most important as it increases your marks in calculating your percentage. Next, how to get these premium PDFs. Getting your premium study material is quick and hassle free. Just reach out us on WhatsApp and we will handle the rest. WhatsApp, the first topic is WhatsApp. Message on the given number with your subject list. The number given on the screen is fully secure and safe. Fast delivery. Receive your PDFs shortly after order confirmation. Secure payment. Safe and trusted payment options. No sharing of sensitive data. Instant access. Start studying the moment your payment is confirmed. Do not get afraid that it is just a fraud or spam. No, we are here to just help you for your board examination to score your scorecard higher, like 95, 98, or even 100% as well. Next, the most important, exam prep. Smart order. Class 10 previous year question papers. Practice today, score tomorrow. Why you need to choose our PDF, not another one? It would be the previous year papers. CBSE made exam pattern aligned, boost your score, chapter wise and year wise, 100% quality assured. And most importantly, perfect for instant download, clear and well formatted, mobile and PC friendly, and last but not the least, most importantly, safe and secure payment. One subject per PDF at only rupee 99. Earlier it was to be 140 rupees, but for you all it is 99 rupee. This offer is very limited time offer. So grab this opportunity very fast. Math, science, SST, English, Hindi, AI, and even Punjabi best quality PDF. WhatsApp now at the given number on the screen 9518114882. Prepare confidently, achieve exceptionally, be exam ready. Don't just study, smart study. Grab now before it's gone because it is limited time offer. Now, final word from me. Study smart, score better. Your board exam don't have to be stressful. With the right resources, consistent practice, and a calm mindset, you are fully capable of achieving the score you are aiming for. We are here to support you every step of the way. Join the CBSE Insider 10th YouTube channel family by liking the video, sharing it to a classmate who needs a boost. Subscribe, never miss a new video or board update. Study smart, practice daily, and score better. Last but not the least, after the payment is done, you have to share a screenshot with us on the given YouTube channel's founder WhatsApp number that is given on the screen now. 9518114882. You need to send the screenshot and write your name and the which subject book you are need for. The PDF would be given after the confirmation of your payment and your order. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and do the payment fast as this is the limited time offer. Thank you everyone.